This is the default ringtone. Changing the ringtone requires clearing the doorbell code first. Clear code, long press the volume button. When you hear the ding ding, continue to press and hold until I heard the bell ring. Code clearing completed. Test. Clear code successfully. Press the music button. Select the ringtone you want. After selecting the ringtone, read code. Hard appear, press and hold the volume button until you hear a ding ding. Release your hands at the same time. Coding completed. Test new ringtone. Successfully replace ringtone.